Desktop computers got slightly faster, boxes stayed relatively the same size, and users simply accepted the universal rule that true, jaw-dropping performance required a massive, power-hungry machine sitting under their desk. We accepted the illusion that if you wanted to do truly heavy work, rendering complex 3D environments, training massive data models, or editing multiple streams of uncompressed 8K video, you had to tolerate a giant box, loud cooling fans, and a massive electricity bill. But behind the heavy security doors of Cupertino, Apple engineers were quietly orchestrating a complete and total assassination of the traditional desktop. They didn't just iterate. They threw away the entire rulebook to build an absolute weapon of pure computational dominance. The global tech community is currently in a state of absolute shock. Supply chains are fracturing under the weight of historic demand. And the data paints a terrifyingly precise picture. The Mac Mini M5 is here, and it is completely rewriting the laws of physics and computing. If you think you know what a compact desktop is capable of achieving, prepare to have your entire reality shattered. Let's look at the brutal reality of the modern workspace. Space has become the ultimate luxury, yet our creative and professional demands have skyrocketed to unprecedented heights. We are editing high-resolution video streams, compiling massive code bases, and running complex simulations that used to require dedicated server rooms. Apple looked at this high-stakes dilemma and delivered a masterclass in aggressive, uncompromised engineering. The Mac Mini M5 represents a definitive declaration of absolute market dominance. It is a tiny, impossibly sleek aluminum vault that houses a level of processing power that defies its physical footprint. It represents the death blow to the giant PC tower, proving once and for all that raw, desktop-class supremacy no longer requires massive size, loud fans, and a spiked electricity bill. It is an uncompromised powerhouse that renders the word compromise completely obsolete. The psychological shockwave hits you the exact microsecond you clear your desk and set this machine down. It takes up less physical space than a standard hardcover book, completely vanishing into your aesthetic setup. But when you press that power button and connect your display, the sheer speed at which it wakes up and initializes your entire digital life is nothing short of unsettling. The responsiveness is instantaneous. Applications don't just load. They materialize on your screen the exact microsecond your finger clicks the mouse. Navigating through dense, resource-heavy operating systems, scrubbing across endless video timelines, or flipping between dozens of massive datasets feels as fluid as thought itself. There is no hesitation, no spinning wheels, and no micro-stuttering. The machine operates with a level of quiet arrogance, handling heavy creative assets and massive data streams as if they were simple text files. Once you experience a workflow this unburdened by hardware lag, using any other desktop computer on Earth feels like trying to run through water. But the real magic of this miniature monster lies deep within its architecture. At the very core of the M5 ultra-performance silicon chip, built on a groundbreaking, hyperdense manufacturing process, this system-on-a-chip consolidates raw processing power, graphics excellence, and system memory into a single, unified powerhouse. This completely eliminates the traditional bottlenecks that